And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this crystal wall sconce for bathroom vanity lighting fixtures. Gonna unbox it and show it to you. So let's cut the tape. Oh, lots of foam inside of here. We have, looks like everything you need to put it together. Looks like a ground, some extra wire, some wire nuts, even a little piece of crystal there that must do something. Looks like some instructions as well. And then got a few more things over here. So yeah, there's one of the spots where the bulbs go in. Another spot for the bulbs to go in. And another spot for the bulbs to go in. And then lastly, you have all of these nice crystal coverings. So you'd put this together by taking one of these and it fits down into here to make your light fixture. So you get 3 of these, 1, 2, and 3. And then boom. And then this is the main bar that everything would attach to. That's for the box. A little bit of assembly required, but you can see this is where you'd attach it to your wiring and everything. And then you're able to attach all 3 of these into here and wire them into here. Lots and lots of assembly required here though, I can say that. But this mounts to the wall, these mount together, something like that. See? These attached to this, these attached to these, and wired all together, you have a nice light fixture. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you everything that comes inside of here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.